Hey guys, welcome to Quantum Jumper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can able to use Twitter power to sell something or to promote something. Okay, so this is a trick, a very little trick, but it's very handy if you're going to use it in your daily life, and you can also probably make money. Okay, so if you're making money and if you are making money, okay, so definitely let me know in the comments below that this trick is really handy and I'm been generating money or income with this. But it's a really powerful tool. You can use it to generate, you can just meet the supply and demand on Twitter platform. So let's go to Twitter. You must be having an account. Twitter is a great platform to develop your intellectual knowledge. So this one is a Twitter and you have to go to explore. Let's click on the search and you have to search where to buy. Alright, I saw this trick somewhere, so I'm just performing with you guys, and that video is in Hindi but I'm making it in English. So when you search for where to buy, this is in the PC version. You can also open up in the mobile version very easily, and it's really optimized with the mobile. Here we go. So you have to click on the latest. Alright, now when you search where to buy and click on latest, you can see you mean Dearborn, who has over 20 Christian churches within a 5 miles radius of where I have left the past. Now the highlight words is buy here, but you have to be really careful and see what they're talking about and what thing they are looking for, so you can reply there. Now you see Nova, so where is it asking you to buy them? It's very random. So let's go to the next one, and this one is a video, a promoted video. Housing is less affordable, whatever, because giant corporation buy. This is something different. I'm not going to read it complete. Trump himself would have been for a better off, as would we all. I couldn't agree more. But 2 points. If I were going back, I wouldn't try to convince 70,000 people. I will buy Jim Comey and all expenses paid vacation for the month. This is something you have to be clearly focused on what people are really looking to buy. Maybe someone is replying to some random post, someone commenting on some random post. You have to be check everything that what people are been talking about. Here we go. So correction, he did not try, he did, but they did where to go. So I was like, you gonna buy a ticket. All right, ready to go to work on some people. This is the bigger version of that video that I saw, and I just want to really makes it practical. I don't want to sell you, but this is tricks which you can use it. I'm also gonna give you and add a bonus to this video. So if you are not able to sell something or make money with it, you can certainly make it. I'm gonna show you in the end of this video as a bonus, so keep watching. Now I want to buy a sushi for my team. They were very strange set of people. So it's now he or she is looking to buy something sushi. I don't know really it is. So you have to also go to brainstorm what is happening here, what is sushi, and if you really understanding, you can really nail it here. You can find out sushi, and you also have to have the supply of sushi or whatever he's talking about, and taste good. So sushi is something that is eatable. So if you have any idea about that, you can do this, but I think this is just a comment. I buy one of a piece of land away from other houses, not densely packed together, and you see it's 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So people are commenting or posting this buy things in real time. So it's a demand. Okay, it's a demand in the real time, and you have to fulfill it. If you can understand what the people are talking about and asking for or looking for buy, you can just sell them directly. You just have to have a Twitter account. You don't have to have any followers at all. If you have a profile, and if you make your profile a little bit professional by just putting out your bio and profile picture, then that would be worth it. But make sure to put your real profile picture so that people understand you, what you are. Okay, so learn from a champion trader. List time where you had to. Now this one is this is your homework. You have to do it by yourself and see what people are looking for. Just just at least give it a try and see what people are looking for. And if you have any idea to sell something, just let me know in the comments below that you have sold something. Now the next step, you can literally use this method to find out what people are facing the problem. So I have a keyword, and this trick has been done by me, and this is a bonus also. So keep your eye on this trick. How to fix, lately I've been making all kinds of bug fix videos on my channel. So over on the Twitter, if people are looking something like how to fix, and this is something free, so you have to make it content around. I mean, if you're a YouTuber, or even if you're not a YouTuber, but you see that if something that if you can solve the problem of people, you can make a video and tell them that I make a dedicated video for you. You can just go to my channel and subscribe. But maybe you have to make a video in English, because the person or people here may be looking in English, because it's worldwide. But you can also, I think you can able to choose a location to near you. So if you do this, that will be in Hindi. So let's go to and set to near you and see. It's latest, and it's posted 3 hours ago. How to fix Google serve ads on a screen with replace content 2014. Now this makes a lot of sense. It is how to fix, and if you click on near you, you see how to fix Google serve ads on a screen with replace content. If you really, I mean, I can understand what he's saying, but I don't have any clear idea how to fix this. But I understand it's technology, so I can understand it. What he talking about is how to fix Google serve ads, but I don't know what he really talking about. So I'm gonna skip it, and let's see. Got a green line on my OnePlus 9R. So if you have a solution for this, how to fix this is not a problem, I think, because I saw the video. One channel is talking about this one, but I think it's not a problem. This is something that is casual, and if you know, you can make a video and just put it a reply on this particular post, and you good to go. The next up is best deals on the Sparks shoes. This is ad, I think. Yes, this is ad. Now go to this one, is again the same thing. And facing issue in a filling form TPT3 if we suspect return of deposit in particular. This is very random. Let's go, and I think it's done. Let's click on advanced search to see. It's the near me include post with links. Yeah, so in the advanced search, I cannot be able to set India. I can be only able to either go to near you or anywhere. Include post, mention account, any language. I think just go to Hindi. Okay, Hindi would be preferable, and this will be all set to India only. So let's go to anywhere but in Hindi. All right, let's go to again and set the any language to Hindi and click on search. Now you can see it's set to anywhere, but the problem is it's changed. So let's say how to fix. When I do it, it's all gone. The Hindi is all gone. So yeah, you don't have any idea, you don't have any solution for it. So just put out your main keyword, which is how to fix, and select anywhere, because once you do near you, you're not going to find a lot of content post or the request or demand. So fix the shit can't even play the game. Alright, so if you have any idea about fixing this, and maybe you're looking to solve the problem, then you can just make a particular video on your channel. If you have idea, if you know how to do it, then only. Okay, let's see. OMW, I don't know how to fix this to state angle. Now it's all about Roblox. Maybe women care about their local network of friends and community, where men thinks they know the best how to fix the world. Okay, this is this guy is not looking for any fixing solution. He just usually talks about something for world. Why you keep triggering fire? This is ad. And my new 2 months old laptop stopped to refresh suddenly. I have tried all troubleshooting methods, but it's a failure at the end. How to fix it? All right. So he is facing a difficulty in laptop. All right. This video just a idea, so that you can also at least go to the website called Twitter and search what they are people looking. Maybe this is not going to be handy. I mean, this is just an idea. If you're putting your time to watch my video, you just got an idea that yeah, this is also can possible, how to fix, or maybe where to buy. And if you see something in the right time, people are looking something like this, you can sell something, you can literally make money. It's all about demand and supply. And if you like, if people are requesting for any demand, then maybe he is looking something real time, and you, if you fulfill in the real time, that would be worth it. Okay, because if you delay 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, then you're not going to make any profit, because he already looked for the solution somewhere else. All right, so this video is like this only, and I'm going to wrap up this video. Hope you are liking this trick and liked it. And if you liked it, and if you want to see content like this in the future, subscribe to my channel, which is Quantum Jumper. I will be making more tutorials like this. If you want to really see something like this tutorial, how to make money, something like, just let me know in the comments below, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care.